Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcake liners. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need parchment paper, a pair of scissors, and a pencil. Also, grab a standard cupcake pan and a small, round object like a spice jar or a glass. Remember, wax paper is not oven-safe for baking, so always use parchment paper for this project. Now, let's prepare your parchment paper. Take your scissors and cut the parchment paper into squares, each measuring exactly 5 inches by 5 inches. Consistency is key here. Making sure all your squares are uniform will help create perfectly shaped liners. This 5-inch size is ideal for fitting into most standard cupcake pan cavities.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel for more easy guides. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're busy baking. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep your drinks cold all day. Check the description for a link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Next, it's time to shape your liners. Take one of your 5-inch parchment squares and center it over a cavity in your cupcake pan. Now, use your chosen round object to gently press the paper down into the cavity. Carefully crease the paper around the edges to begin forming the distinct sides of your cupcake liner. Once the paper is shaped, carefully remove the formed liner from the cupcake pan. Take a moment to firmly press along all the creases you've created. This step helps the liner hold its shape securely, ensuring it stands up well when filled with batter. Your custom-made cupcake liner is now perfectly ready for baking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.